Good morning to Honorable Secretary Sir and Honorable AGO, and thankful to who are the members are helpful to this class. Thanks once again to one and all. Today already previously I extremely sorry. Last Thursday also I have the same class, but unexpected schedule, so that's why I did not take the class. Extremely sorry for the all the members who are the participants in the Zoom class. So next already next topic. Next topic. Next to already previously complete that. Next to directly have to go to the table one. Table one of the pictures already completed. Table one. Okay, let's no, not necessary for the tables one. First starting already table one completed previously classes. What is the table one? Table one. What is the has given in the table one? Once you have to check that. Different have the different goals. Suppose agriculture labor is the different goals. As a teacher, a different goals. Student is a different has a different goals. First table one completed already. What is the clear cut idea? First starting completed in table one. That is the table one. Different goals already allotted for the different persons. Next to is not sir is not importance of the table, sir. Remove the table, sir. Show the table only blackboard only, sir. Show me blackboard only. Show the blackboard only. Not necessary of the pictures. Okay, thank you. Table one already completed. So what is the different persons have the different goals? As a teacher, my different goal is the my goal is that what is my goal? As a became a government teacher, fulfill my goal. As an agriculture labor already previously, what is the goal of the agriculture labor? More grow the more crops, and if the more crops are automatically demanding of the agriculture labor. So goals already have to person have to difference of the goals already completed in your previous classes. Table one. Next. So next topic, income and other goals. Discuss. Next, income and other goals. మనం టోటల్గా ప్రజెంట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి మన గోల్ ఇన్కమ్. ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ టీచర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మై ప్రైమరీ గోల్స్ ది ఇన్కమ్? My goal as a government teacher, previously I had been working as a private teacher. My salary is the below 20,000. So why do you want I selected as a government teacher? As the income purpose. Real gane. Even any persons first primary, the human being first prefer to the income purpose of the job. Even when we are doing the job, what is the main purpose? Income. But and other goals, not only income. Then already selected as one of the teacher is selected. As a selected of the teacher, but not only income. I want to respect from the teachers. I want to wishes from the teachers. I want to kindness of the AGO sir. I want to friendly relation of the secretary sir. These are the other goals are the importance, not only for the income. So what are the other goals? What are the other goals also for our life? Not only income. What are the other goals? Discuss. Not only income. We have to, our goal is the first primary is the income. Other secondary goals are there. What are the secondary goals? We can discuss. So table one already. Table one is completed previously. Previously completed that one. The different persons different to have different goals are there. So my goal is the different. Shimir sir is the different goal. Secretary sir is the goal different. What is the goal of the secretary sir? He wanted the best to MJP school, MJP society. Yes, get the best name throughout the state. His goal is the different. AGO sir goal in the only zone 4 low. He tried to the best performance of the MJP schools. His goals. So different goals, different persons have the different goals. As a student, you are a student. What is your goal? Intermediate, next you 10th class you are studying. What is your goal? Get the best marks in 10th class. Present only. Next, previously all the member pass marks. Really, this is the God gifted who are the dullers. But intelligent quotient. Next. So in the future also maybe impossible. This year only this is the best convenient for the who are the dullers. Next year's 100% the examination will be conducted and evaluation and give the ranks. Okay. Next to table one complete. Next, what is the next to point in the income and other goals. Not only for the income, for our goals. Other secondary goals are there. Secondary goals, what are the secondary goals? Freedom, security, respect. If I am selected, my goal is completed as a government teacher. I want freedom. Suppose freedom, without the freedom, I can't work that. Next to security in my job. Suppose already without the security, previously private job, there is no security. So that's why I am selected as a government job. Even Shemi sir also. Present is a CR10 code, suppose. What he is not security is like he want to search for the government job. Even Tulsi sir not is that. Private is there no security for the as a temporary job. They want a security purpose. That is the secondary goals. And already the complete economy. Income is the first primary goals. Secondary goals will. Next to respect. Already my goal is completed as a government teacher. Some members already did not wish that. Is there any respect? Southern schools is not any respect. So I can't work here. I can go to the transfer to other school. Not only for my goals. So this is the importance also for my life. Respect also. So not only for the income, what are the other goals in your life? Freedom, security, respect. Next point. Total goals divided into two types. Material, non-material. Third point, material and non-material things and material things and non-material things useful for our life of the goals. Goals important to divide it into two types of the materials. Materials two types. Actually, materials are the useful to develop of the goals. Materials also useful. Materials are useful for developments of the goals. Or very key role in the goals development of the life. Materials to non-materials. So these are the important developments of your life. Goals these are the importance. One of the goals material to non-material. What are the material? Income. Income is the material. This is the useful for our life. First goal. Non-material things. The material things already goals importance goals other goals divided into two types. Once again, other goals is divided into two types: material things, non-material things. Material things, example for money, gold, silver, iron, tables, next to furniture, furniture. This type of the gold we have to best respect as given in the society. Amount. So who are the members of the rich person has given to the highest. Material, non-material things. Material things, non-material things. Things. These are the helpful to our goals. Material things, non-material things helpful to our goals. But amount on we want to already. This is the example of the material. Non-material. What are the non-material things? Love, kind, affection, freedom, respect, like this. This one also very useful for our life. Not only material things, not only for material things, non-material things also useful in your life for developments of the goals, for the developments of life. Next for example, suppose income. Suppose you are getting one of the job, software engineer. For example, a person. Suppose Somo, he is a software engineer. His salary is the 3 lakhs. The company has given, but he is appointed in the Mumbai, 3 lakhs. Next 2 lakhs though, in Chennai company is offering letter has sent to him 2 lakhs in Chennai, 1 lakh in Tirupati. So example and suppose I am a software engineer. I selected the 3 companies. One company is the Mumbai, one company is the Tirupati, one company is the Sadum, suppose. So, for example, the salary has given the highest salary in Mumbai, but I am not interested to go to the Mumbai. Even 70% of the salary has given in my native place in Sadum, I will be joined here only. Because what is the reason? I want to come to the nearest place of my family. Every person they prefer to nearest jobs. So that's why the government is decided to development of the industries in the rural areas. Even if suppose Shamir Sharma or any teachers, suppose he want to go to his native place. Previously had been working in the Anantapur district. I am preferred to come to the nearest of my family because there is the love and affection of the family. We want to freedom. We want to extra facilities in our life. We have to bonding with our family. So that's why we prefer to native place. Generally, suppose many software engineers, total who are the members are earning 20,000 or 30,000. They are not interested to do the job. They are preferred to the cattle rearing. Cattle rearing. All between chala mandi postinchukuntaru. So that's why. So, for example, who is the person is selected the faraway places. Suppose, for examples, who is the person is selected the any job, he is first preferred to nearest place of his house. For example. Next to total, so that's why our life is the mix of goals. So many goals are there. Material goals, non-material goals. Our life is mix of goals. Not only for the goal, we are not satisfied the amount. We have to satisfy the nearest place. Not only satisfy the goal. Some members have the goal 2 kilos, 3 kilos. Are they satisfied their life? No. Love and affection. Without the love and affection, how can you live? So that's why our life is the mix of the goals. Our life is mix of goals. So what is the conclusion? In our goals, not only income, other criteria, other non-material things are the important. Not only for the income, other non-material things are the important in your life. What are the non-material things are the important? Freedom, security, respect, love, affection, kindness. But suppose as a government teacher appointed, without the respect, how can you work here? Without the kindness, how can you work that? So total non-material things also. So our life is the mix of both. Some non-material things also helpful in our life. Next topic: how to compare different countries and states. How to compare? మన classroom lo suppose 40 members in our section. How to compare of the students marks? What are the parameters comparison of the students and marks? Same like that. But countries, what is the parameter differences of the countries are? How to compare the countries with their income? Income is the main parameter. Compare the two different countries, compare the two different states, compare the two different districts. This is the parameter. Income is the parameter. Compare the difference of the country, different of the states. But in your classroom, suppose two students, suppose 40 members are there in your study per sections. Comparison, comparison, how to difference of the students marks. One person is the 50-50. Next person 30 marks, next person 40 marks, 30 marks. Comparison, oh, A section, B section, C section. Like that, countries also compare the different countries of the states. Different state countries and the state. The main parameter is the income. So next to income. Total income is divided in two types. Total income, average income. But total countries and what? Countries total income is called the total income is the different. Average income per persons. Per person's average income is the different. Person. So average income, total income. How to compare the different countries or the states? Parameter is the income. Income is the two types: total income and the average income. Total income for countries, total income, all the persons already adding all the persons income is called the total income. Average income, total for each candidates, what is the amount of the income? So how to calculate the average income? Average income also is called the per capita income. Per capita average income also is called the per capita income. Total amount by population. Total amount by population is coming to the average income or per capita income. So total గా ఈ different to how to compare the different countries, the World Bank is conducted the 2012 divided into 3 categories of the countries, the parameter of the income basis. First parameter, the World Bank in 2012, the basis of the income divided into 3 types of the countries. What are the types of the countries? Rich countries, middle economic countries, low economic countries. We 3 divided this. Rich countries అంటే more income countries. Rich ne మనం ఏమంటామంటే more income countries, more income. 3 types of the World Bank is divided into 3 types of the countries depending upon the income. So more income countries, middle income countries, low income countries. Income. What is the parameter? What is the amount of the parameter has given of the World Bank? What is the country? How the these are more income countries? What is the above the $12,600? What is the country? What is the country has the above the $12,600 above the countries are called rich countries, already higher income countries. Which country has the 12,600 between the 12,600 and $1,035? That country is called the middle income country. Which country has recorded of the recorded 1,035 less of the dollar symbol. Which country has the less of the $1,035? That country is called the low income country. Low income country. Once again, I have to teach the subject. Total income on other course lo table 1 already completed. Next to not only for the income, other activities also influence our life. What are the freedom, security, respect? Totally our goals is divided into material goals and non-material goals. So material goals already, what are the material goals, what are the non-material goals? Example already is given. Suppose not only for prefer to income, we have to prefer to the family also. Next to how to compare the different countries and states, the parameter is the income. The World Bank is divided into 3 types of the countries in the year of 2012. So more income countries, middle income countries, low income countries. It is total information about that. So in the examination, they ask the any questions. That the next topics. So any doubts? What is the okay? Next topics. You can go to next topics. Next to table 2 observe. Table 2. Textbooks lo table 2 lo textbook. So the table 2 sir, and the picture వచ్చేసి table 2. Once you have to check your table 2. Table 2 in your textbooks. Table 2. Show the slides of table 2. Table 2 comparison of 2 countries. Comparison of 2 countries. So Jain sir, so please show the table 2. Comparison of the 2 countries. Table. Shamir sir. Table 2. Comparison of 2 countries. Table 2. Comparison of 2 countries.
Shamir sir. Sir.
మేడం పెట్టాను మేడం.
Okay sir.
Okay sir. Okay, that one only. Okay. Observe చేయండి. country A, country B. Comparison of the two countries. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే కంపారిజన్ చూడండి. సో కంపారిజన్ of the two countries, country A, country B. So Roman monthly income of citizens in 2001 in rupees లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్ ఫస్ట్ మంత్, సెకండ్ మంత్, థర్డ్ మంత్, ఫోర్త్ మంత్, ఫిఫ్త్ మంత్ టోటల్ ఇన్కమ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద టోటల్ ఇన్కమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఏ కంట్రీ, వాట్ ఇస్ ద టోటల్ ఇన్కమ్ ఆఫ్ ద బి కంట్రీ, వాట్ ఇస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ ఇన్కమ్ ఏ కంట్రీ ఆర్ ద బి కంట్రీ, యు హావ్ టు డిసైడ్. యావరేజ్ చేయండి, యావరేజ్ total population, total income by population, total income by the population. What is the highest, what is the highest country of the average income, what is the highest country of the average income, you have to decide it. You have to idea about the total average income is the different, total income is the different. Average income, how is the average income, total income by population. Adi, keep the mind now, underline the points. Next to same table observation for the table 2. So total ga all the countries they want to come to the best portion of the total income, they want to come to the best portion of the average income. Next, another pictures, some members sitting on the chairs. So the pictures are, next pictures are some members sitting on the chairs. Okay sir. Okay. Observe Jyoti. What do you understanding, what do you understanding in the pictures, what do you understand? 3 chairs in the total ga, first chair, second chair, third chair. 3 chairs lo kuda what your observation for the observe cheyandi, what you understand. First picture, country with no rich and not poor, no rich, no poor. Second one is the second picture, what is the given in the country with rich and poor, only second two countries comparison. Actually 3 tables are there. First tables, first country, A country is not rich, is not poor. But B country, some members rich people are there, some members are the poor people are there. Suppose like India, only rich people వచ్చేసి 5% ఉన్నారు India లో, other 95% are the poor. So some questions already show the next sir, next slide sir, next slide. Some that questions are there. Previously complete the lesson, that questions already given. Once you have to in the leisure time, once you have to read the questions, what is your answer, you have the imagination and write your own answer. This is the homework for you, write down, this is the homework and the completion for the questions in your notebooks. You have to clear get the idea, previous lessons knowledge, that is the useful to you, you are ready to give the answer these questions depending upon the previous knowledge. Next slide sir, next table 3. Table 3. Okay, check చేయండి table 3 లో what is that. Table 3 for capita income for amount of select states. Some state has given
per capita.
Table 3. What are the states has given? What are the states have given? Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar. Per capita income చూడండి. Punjab capita income 78,000, Himachal Pradesh capita income 74,000, Bihar capita income 25,000. What is the least per capita income of the state? Bihar. What is the region? Ask the question previously so many times. What is the state least per capita income in our country? You have to write your own answer. What is the highest compared to 3 states only? 3 states only. Table 3. What is the least income? Table 3 gives the source the information, so the information gives the information. What is the least income? What is the least per capita income state? What is the highest capita income state? So one table is given, What did you understanding in the table? Ask the question in the examination or 2 marks. Table has given in the examination. What do you understanding from the table? You have to give your own answer. Next to table 4. Table 4. Next picture, sir. Some comparison data of the select state. Some select state comparison చూడండి. పంజాబ్, హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్, బీహార్. బీహార్. మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి బీహార్. 3 table 4 some comparative data of the selected states. IMR for 1000, total 2006, literacy rate 2011, net attendance rate 2006. Punjab, observe what is the some terminology is given. What is the meaning of the IMR? Infant mortality rate, important. Infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate means children's death rate for the 1000 peoples. And some members suppose 1000 civil, but how many children's already death rate of the death rate is called children's death rate is called a mortality rate. Mortality rate. So come to the tables are already. Pictures, show the pictures, sir. Once again, table 4, table 4.
Sir, Shamir sir.
Okay, okay, sir. So once I have to observation for the table 4. Okay, sir, that is enough. Okay, that one. So what you understanding the table 4? What you understanding? Show the table, sir. Show the table. Show the table. Okay, okay, okay. Observe చేయండి. IMR rate అంటే infantile mortality rate అంటే children's death rate. Rate of 1000 live children's born. The number of the children who die within 1 year, that is called IMR. What is the definition of the IMR? Infant mortality rate, that is 1000 people live children's born. The number of the children who die within 1 year, that is called IMR. IMR. Next to literacy rate. మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటుంది. Literacy rate అంటే it measures the percentage of the literate population in the 7 and above age group. అంటే above age group who are the going to the children above complete the 7th year, they are called the literacy rate. Next, net attendance rate. Out of the total number of the children in age group 16 to 17, the percentage of the children attending the school, percentage of the attending the school is called net attendance rate. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి స్టేట్స్ ను. మీరు IMR రేట్ చూడండి ఫర్ 1000. పంజాబ్ 22 members, హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్ 32 members, బీహార్ చూడండి IMR రేట్ టోటల్ గా 1000 members of the children of the born, 62 members are die of the children in their state. Highest IMR rate and highest death rate of the children is located in the show the highest death rate of the children is in Bihar. What is the reason? Ask the question in the group 1 or group 2 the examination. First in the actually in the competitive examinations that ask the different questions. First ask the question, highest death rate of the children, what is the state under? Suppose we can give the easy answer of the Bihar. What is the reason? Because of illiteracy rate of the Bihar. Second is the non-developments of the health sector. Main illiteracy, majority of the illiteracies are there in Punjab. Main that is the reason. With literacy rate observe చేయండి. Punjab 77% literacy rate, Himachal Pradesh 84, Bihar only 64. Next, net attendance rate అంటే టోటల్ గా అటెండింగ్ స్కూల్. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ అటెండింగ్ మీకు పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇస్తారు. అమ్మఒడికి ఆల్రెడీ 75%, 80%, 90% అటెండింగ్స్ అని. సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ నెట్ అటెండింగ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ద నెట్ అటెండింగ్స్ రేట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. పంజాబ్ 76%, హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్ ఇస్ ద 90%, బీహార్ ఇస్ ద 50%, 56, 90% ఉంది హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్. నెట్ అటెండెన్స్ రేట్ in table 4, 90% of the Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. What is the reason? Really, this is the appropriation decision. Himachal Pradesh. We observe just total observe that 90% of the net attendings of the 90% of the Himachal Pradesh. What is the reason? Some members have to different reasons. Table total observe just say schooling revolution is started in the Himachal Pradesh only. That recorded of the 93% of the recorded of the 90% net attendance, children's attendance is going to only in the state of the Himachal Pradesh. What is the reason? Total Andhra Pradesh like maybe other state law least has given in the 56th net attendance of the Bihar. 90% of the Himachal Pradesh. What is the reason? Ask the question in the examinations. You have to creativity, apply that creativity. You are ready to give the answer, your own answer. Main first one, highest literacy rate is in Himachal Pradesh compared than other states. And they were two states compared than two states. Second one is the schooling revolution. You observe India state law, Himachal Pradesh lo schooling revolution. Total first starting before the independence, Himachal Pradesh is the poor performance in the education. After the independence, the government has first preferred to education. Even in our state also, Dr. Jagannath Reddy is the Chief Minister of the Andhra Pradesh. He is the first preferred to education, next to health. So that's why he started the Nadu Nedu program. Manabadi, Nadu Nedu. Really, this is the appreciation decision by the Honorable Chief Ministers. Even all the residential schools, suppose Sadumu has granted up the 50 lakhs to development of the program for infrastructure development of the fans, tube lights, toilets, repairing the toilets. Next, this is the first phase. Second phase, next other schools. Third phase is the next schools. Minimum, the government has given the full support of the developments of the infrastructure in the schools. Previously, when we are studying, ask your Shamir sir, ask your Tulsi sir, we don't have any facilities in our schools. There is no appointment of the teachers also. When I was studying the high school, only one teacher had been completed the lessons only. Other subjects, they did not teach any subject up to 5th class. When I was studying the up to 5th class, the teacher was coming to school yearly twice or thrice. We don't have any facilities. Up to 6th class, I joined in a municipal high school. Total, there is no appointed of the teachers. Appointed of the teachers. No, sir, same table. Table 4 is so that. Table 4 so that to on meet. Okay, enough. Okay, enough. Table 4, okay. So, Himachal Pradesh lo budget, Himachal Pradesh government also allotted the budget. Double budget has allotted to compare than other states. India lo what is the budgets of the per child allotted for the each candidate 2005 lo data has given. Highest budget state has preferred to the highest budgets of the education is allotted of the state of the Himachal Pradesh. What is the amount? 2005 lo 2005 data 2500 is allotted of the Himachal Pradesh for each child. Total country only 1049 rupees allotted. And previous data is 2005. 2005 lo data has given by the government. Total in the central government, total all the average total country is expenditure of the each child only nearly 1049 rupees. But Himachal Pradesh expenditure of the education expenditure in their budget 2005 rupees. The double budget compare than national budget. That is the decision has taken by the Himachal Pradesh government. Previously, Himachal Pradesh lo there is no contact teacher, there is no guest teacher, only all the regular teachers. Total there is no vacancy of the any post. But in this total main problem in our Andhra Pradesh, total so many vacancies in the government schools. Government schools, majority of the government schools are filled by the government teachers, especially if you observe any BC welfare schools, majority of the working of the guest teachers, next to CRT teachers, next to regular teachers. So that's why this is the one of the drawbacks to development of the education. But Himachal Pradesh, total all the teachers were recruitment by the District Selection Commission completed. There is no nil vacancy of the posting in that school. That is the credit goes to Himachal Pradesh. Next, child mortality rate చూడండి. ఆ child mortality rate అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే child mortality rate IMR rate. Himachal Pradesh is the best position compared than all the states. Bihar is the least. Punjab is the first position. Second is the Himachal Pradesh. Third position is the even child mortality rate also best position in Himachal Pradesh. Another important last and final point is there in from the table. According to Himachal Pradesh, in Himachal Pradesh, active Mahila Mandals. Means some member active Mahila Mandals are there. Active Mahila Mandals. They are very focused on the developments of the literacy race in Himachal Pradesh. Active Mahila Mandals. Even so many Mahila